Today we are reviewing Epicor ERP.
This video is brought to you by ERP Research. If you're starting your ERP journey, make sure you head over to erpresearch.com. Here our team has put together free ERP analysis, ERP project resources, templates, and much more. Why don't you also make use of our free consultation service? A short, 15-minute meet with us will help you to understand your business and needs, recommend ERP solutions for your ERP objectives, offer guidance around your ERP evaluation process, and offer insights into your industry peers and their choices.
But before we get into all things Epicor, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more great videos from erpresearch.com. Epicor ERP is an enterprise resource planning solution which is designed to fit the manufacturing industry, more specifically discrete manufacturing, mixed mode, engineer, to order, and more. Epicor is popular with small and medium-sized manufacturing companies, as well as in two-tier ERP scenarios. Epicor ERP is a modular, industry-specific software used to manage business processes company-wide. Epicor software is available on-premises and software-as-a-service cloud ERP. Epicor Software Corporation innovates to incorporate newer technologies into the ERP system. For example, Epicor uses the industrial Internet of Things to connect machines with sensors and PLCs on the shop floor in its advanced MES that seamlessly integrates with Epicor ERP system. Dashboards and views of Epicor can be tailored based on the user accessing the system, allowing the user interface to be made as simple or as complex as necessary for each of your system users. Epicor is licensed on a subscription basis, which is typically paid annually. Licensing is dependent on the amount of users, their level, or responsibilities within the system, advanced modules and third-party extensions you require. Epicor does not offer a free trial. Released in 2000 and deployed in over 150 countries, Epicor offers 14 support centers globally. Functionality includes supply chain management, Epicor accounting, production, planning and scheduling, sales management, and customer relationship management. Some of the pros of Epicor are its wide and deep functionality for product-centric businesses in regulated industries such as chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing and distribution. Deployment flexibility with both cloud, multi-tenant and single-tenant, and on-premises offerings. It has a good user experience and is highly customizable. However, some of the cons are pricing can be higher when compared to other ERP solutions. Many users complain of an outdated user interface, and the CRM module could be improved. Epicor works best in the automotive, manufacturing, retail, and distribution industries. Epicor ERP is offered both as an on-premises ERP solution as well as a cloud ERP solution. Customers can also exercise the ability to move Epicor ERP from the cloud to on-premises and back again, which is a true differentiator from customers looking for the maximum flexibility. Epicor provides multiple options for integration to enable business.
Because Epicor creates industry-specific software reflecting best practices in the industry, customers don't need to customize Epicor ERP as much as they would for other ERP software. Epicor enhances users' risk and compliance management by building in forms to meet industry requirements. Epicor strives to anticipate and meet their users' business needs.
Epicor's competitors are Odoo, Infor, SAP Business One, and Microsoft Dynamics 365. For more information on Epicor ERP, make sure you head over to erpresearch.com. Here you'll find free project resources, free expert analysis, and more in-depth information on all things Epicor ERP.
Our experts can also give you a free demo of the software. Make sure you get in touch at erpresearch.com.